Hey there everyone, Steven here, the Wizard, here at Water Wizards. Today we're going to be doing a soft wash on this roof on this property here on Jones Island. So first thing we got to do is pop up on the roof and see what we're working with.
We begin every project with a thorough visual inspection, regardless of the service, be it concrete cleaning, house washing, window cleaning, or any other. This standard practice involves a comprehensive 28-point inspection for all properties to devise a strategic approach tailored to each job. The first step in our process is assessing the extent of buildup on the roof. This assessment is crucial as it determines the strength of the cleaning solution we need to use. Environmental responsibility is a cornerstone of our approach. Given our proximity to sensitive ecosystems like the coastal waterway you see here, we are committed to using eco-friendly products. Prior to applying any cleaning solutions, we take special care to protect the surrounding vegetation. We thoroughly wet all plants near the roofline to guard against any potential overspray or wind-carried debris. This hydration step is vital for safeguarding your landscaping. Choosing a professional roof washing company like Water Wizards is essential for the safety and preservation of your property, especially the landscaping. We use protective tarps for particularly delicate areas and have the expertise to determine the precise cleaning solution required. Less experienced companies can often use too strong of a mix or not take the proper precautions to safeguard your property. We have heard stories of very delicate plants, flower beds, and koi ponds being damaged due to negligence. This is why it's very important you hired an experienced professional company. Our soft washing technique is particularly important for roof cleaning. Unlike high pressure washing, which can damage the granules on asphalt shingles, our method gently and effectively removes dirt and mold without risking harm to your roof. Once we've treated the roof, many companies might consider the job done, with the expectation that sun and rain will eventually wash away the dead mold. However, at Water Wizards, we go a step further. We believe in delivering immediate, visible results, which is why all our roof washes include a complimentary rinse down. This final step ensures that all remnants of mold and dirt are washed away, leaving your roof not only clean, but also aesthetically pleasing.
There you have it. We're all done here. Got everything just about packed up, and we are going to move on to the next one. So if you're in anywhere from Somerville to Moncks Corner, all the way to Seabrook and Kiowa, give Water Wizards a try. We are a local family-owned business. It's just me, my wife, and our teenage son. We aren't a franchise, and we do everything from house soft washing, roof soft washing, interior, exterior window cleaning, solar panel cleaning, concrete cleaning, pretty much anything you need cleaned around your home, we can provide that. So if you're in need of any of those services, go ahead and give us a call at 843-256-8838 or check us out at www.waterwizardspowerwashing.com. You can get online quotes instantly from our website, and you can even book and schedule your job from there. But of course, we always like talking to our customers, so you can always use that phone number to give us a ring or a text. See you around.